Cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is a class of disease that involves the heart, blood vessels, or both. Cardiovascular disease refers to any disease that affects the cardiovascular system, principally cardiac disease, vascular disease of a brain and kidney, and peripheral arterial disease. The causes of cardiovascular disease are diverse, but atherosclerosis and or hypotension are the most common. Types of cardiovascular diseases: angina, cerebrovascular accident or stroke, cardiovascular disease, congestive heart failure or coronary artery disease. Risk factors can be smoking, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, being physically inactive, being overweight or obese, diabetes, family history of heart diseases, ethnic background. Age: the older you are, the more likely you are to develop CVD. Mental stress and alcohol. Common symptoms of cardiovascular disease. Symptoms of heart attacks. Often there are no symptoms of the underlying disease of the blood vessels. A heart attack or stroke may be the first warning of underlying diseases. Symptoms of heart attack includes pain or discomfort in the center of the chest, pain or discomfort in the arms, the left shoulder, elbows, jaw, back. The person may experience difficulty in breathing and shortness of breath, feeling sick or vomiting, feeling light-headed or faint, breaking into a cold sweat and becoming pale. Women are more likely to have shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting and back or jaw pain. Symptoms of strokes. The most common symptom of the stroke is sudden weakness of the face, arms, legs, most often on one side of the body. Other symptoms include sudden onset of fainting or unconsciousness, difficulty in seeing with one or both eyes, difficulty in walking, dizziness, loss of balance or coordination. Aneurysm. An aneurysm is a localized blood-filled dilation of blood vessels caused by diseases or weakening of the blood vessels. Aneurysm most commonly occur in arteries at the base of the brain and in the aorta, the main artery coming out of the heart, a so-called aortic aneurysm. The risk factors for an aneurysm are diabetes, obesity, hypertension, tobacco use, and alcoholism. Angina pectoris. Angina pectoris is severe chest pain due to ischemia, a lack of blood and hence oxygen supply of the heart muscles, generally due to the obstruction or spasm of the coronary arteries, the heart's blood vessels. The risk factor can be cigarette smoking, diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, sedentary lifestyle, family history of premature heart diseases, etc. Stroke. A stroke is a rapidly developing loss of brain functions due to disturbance in the blood vessels supplying blood to the brain. This can be due to ischemia, lack of blood supply, caused by thrombosis or embolism, or due to the hemorrhage. As a result, the affected area of the brain is unable to function, leading to inability to move one or more limbs on one side of the body, inability to understand or formulate speech, or inability to see one side of the visual field. Risk factor can be advanced age, hypertension, previous stroke, or transient ischemic attack, better known as TIA, diabetes, high cholesterol, cigarette smoking, and atrial fibrillation, etc. Heart attack. Acute myocardial infarction is commonly known as heart attack. A heart attack occurs when the supply of blood and oxygen to an area of heart muscle is blocked, usually by a clot in a coronary artery. Cardiotonic drugs. Cardiotonic glycosides, digoxin, digitoxin, xanthine, theophylline, theobromine. Anticholinergic drugs, atropine, scopolamine. Thank you for your patient listening.